Hello everyone, good morning. Adi Simion, Coldwell Banker. To this morning I thought about a couple of things that I want to talk to you about, and one of them is what would happen if you have your house on the market and you are very strict with your showing times and the showing procedure, what you're allowing your agent to do when they have buyers. They want to see the property. So let's say you're in a house, you live there, and you're making you're putting restrictions on the agent, telling him, I don't want to show the house in the afternoons, I don't want to show the house in the weekend because I'm there and I don't want to be bothered. Well, remember, people leave and do pretty much the same as you. They work during the week, they are available in the afternoon, they're available in the weekend. So that's when they want to come and see the house. And if you not allowing them, you're losing clients. Another thing is, you sometimes some sellers I see, they don't want the house to be on a lockbox. We now have electronic lock boxes, and every time it gets open, and it can only be opened by a realtor with a license that pays for that service. So when the lockbox gets open, we as listing agents get a notification telling us who opened the box, what time, and when they close it. So we have a track record of what's going on. So not allowing a lockbox, it's hurting your exposure to the market, because we realtors, we like to show properties that are on lockbox because it's easy for us. If you put in a restriction and you say, no, you have to call the listing agent and you got to make an appointment, it's making it hard on that buyer's agent, it's making it hard on the buyers to come in. And we are in an environment right now, and in the world in general, we are in a place where we want things and we want it now. We don't care, right? You go online and you buy stuff on Amazon because you want it and you want it now. You want it delivered to you right away. You want to buy it right now. You don't want any excuses. We can't deliver it to you. I'll give it to you in 2, 3 days, 5 days. You want it now. This is the environment we're in right now, unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you're looking at. So buyers that are buying properties, they're the same. They want to see the house at their own time, whenever they have a chance. And for buyers agents as well, they want to show properties when they have the time as well. So you as a seller, you shouldn't restrict your agent or your agent to show the property whenever they have someone. This is like, I've seen it happen all the time. You want to sell in your own terms. Yes, I understand that, but the buyers want to buy on their own terms too. So just remember, if you're not allowing the property to be shown whenever, you're hurting yourself, you're hurting the sale, because these people have options. They will go, they will not come, and they'll go see something else that's more easy to see. So just remember that. Make the property available. Allow lock boxes. Yes, you're afraid that people might steal stuff from your home. Just secure the home. Secure the items that you think somebody would pocket them. Just secure them and allow agents to show the house. And again, another good thing about it, don't be there. If there is a showing, walk away. Okay, because people are not comfortable to see the seller in the house. Buyers are not comfortable. They can't see themselves living there. They can't create that vision of themselves living there if you live there, if you're there. Okay? So it's good that you get out for a few minutes and let the buyer's agent do the showings alone. Don't have pets in the house. If you have dogs, just take them with you. Again, showings, if you really can't leave, just stay away, go in the backyard, sit in a corner somewhere, and just allow them to roam around the house free and imagine themselves living there. That's another thing. Allow showings, and then don't be there as a seller when the showing happens. Okay, it's very important. So this is what I had to say about open houses and showing your property that's on the market already for today. Have a good day. Adi Simion, Coldwell Banker. We'll talk again next time. Thank you. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please click the link below and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to watch your comments. And if you have a particular subject that you want me to cover, please comment in the section below. Thank you.